Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Today is our very first class on digital marketing. You must have watched these free classes that I will call you. Let me tell you, if anyone hasn't joined the announcement group yet, you can message on WhatsApp or you'll find the link in the comments. You can go to the comments and join the announcement group from there. The group link is also in the description. From there, you can directly join the group. That's where you'll find all the documents and all the PDFs. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because all the lectures will be uploaded right here on YouTube. They will be uploaded. Okay, so today is our very first class. So the thing is, look, how do you actually get started with digital marketing in reality? The very first thing is, whenever someone gets into digital marketing, they see like 50 different things. Do affiliate marketing like this. Do CDS marketing like that. Do pay-per-call like this. Do blogging like that. Hey man, just hold on. The very first thing you need to understand is, if I want to do all these things, how do I build the base? How do we build the base? Until we have our base set, we won't be able to do anything at all. So the most important thing for us, first of all, is how to build a base. So the very first thing you need to build a base is a website. Believe me, if you're using Pipeline Pro or ClickFunnels or System.io, all those, then right now, Look, this is just a recommendation and just another option. You should make your own website. Alright, make your own website. Which website should you make? Make any micro-niche website related to an offer. How to make it? I'll teach you everything in the upcoming lectures. We need to focus on micro-niche websites, so having a website is a must. Everyone should have their own hosting. And you definitely need to have a domain. Now, if you're facing the problem that, sir, I'm going to buy hosting in the market. Someone is offering me hosting for 5,000, someone else for 3,000 rupees, and someone else for 7,000. Alright, and another thing, never buy shared hosting. Why shouldn't you buy shared hosting? Because your website won't rank. So then, what's the point? Alright, so try to buy that kind of hosting. If possible, go for cloud hosting or dedicated hosting. Buy this type of hosting. If you're having trouble buying hosting, contact me on WhatsApp and I will tell you what type of hosting, which company's hosting you should buy. Alright. Second thing, do you need a social media channel? Yes, you need a social media channel, and it's the most important channel. Let me tell you, first is YouTube and second is LinkedIn. Second is LinkedIn. Just subscribe to these two channels. Create your account on both of these channels. The most important thing is, now I'll tell you a very simple method. And if you can accept this challenge, my friend, just try it once. If you don't get results, I'll shut down my YouTube channel. Do one thing today, and I'm giving you a 90-day challenge. Just understand, this is a 90-day challenge for you. Do one thing, create your LinkedIn profile. Alright, make it about something, either an FD ad expert or a Google ad expert. Create your profile on that. I'll teach you both things. I'll teach you absolutely free, man. I'll teach you right here on this YouTube channel, There will be a lot of videos coming in the announcement group. I'll teach you there. I'll make you an expert. And I'll teach you how to run Google Ads in such a way that no one else in the market can even tell you about it. Alright, so do one thing. Create an account on LinkedIn and make a profile as a Google ad expert. I'll do one thing in a PDF. We'll put it in the group, take a look at it, and make your profile accordingly. For 90 days, just do this. Go to connections and add 5 to 10 connections daily. Send invites to connect with 10 people every day. I mean, invite 10 connections every day. That's it for the daily task. And post something as well. You have to do this work every single day. 10 connections and 1 post. You have to do this every day. It's a maximum of 10 minutes of work. It's just 10 minutes of work, my friend. That's all you have to do. And you have to do it for 90 days. In 90 days, you'll have at least 600 to 700 connections minimum. Alright, you'll be able to make 600 to 700 connections in 90 days. And I'm telling you, the day you reach that many connections, you'll start getting at least 1 lakh rupees worth of service work every month. If you can accept and complete this challenge, then go ahead and try it. If you don't get results, let me know. A lot of people ask, sir, I don't want to buy a domain. I don't want to purchase hosting. I don't want to do anything for free. How can I start earning? Just start doing this work. No doubt. Even in this, you'll need a website and a domain. But it's okay. Even if you don't have them, it's not a big deal. I'm just telling you this simple thing. You'll start getting services. Do this work consistently for 90 days. It's just 10 minutes of work. You only have to work 10 minutes a day. Just do this for 90 days. If you don't start earning 1 Indian rupee lakh a month, let me know. Alright. So now we've come to the part for those people who are looking for a simple method. So bro, go follow on LinkedIn. Second, use YouTube. Now let me tell you how I use YouTube. I'm telling you, I have a lot of review channels. Alright, so what I do there is launch jacking. Now, for anyone who doesn't know what launch jacking is, just go and search for it once. What is launch jacking? Let me explain launch jacking in very simple words. Whenever a new product is about to launch, it's not like I buy any digital product. I have knowledge about it. Alright, so what I do is, I make my own review about that product, and after making the review, I just run a small amount of Google ads on it. Believe me, even if I run Google ads worth 5,000, because honestly, I usually don't do all this, I run everything for free. Still, I'm just letting you know. If you want to learn about this, just message me on WhatsApp about how to run AdWords for free. Alright, so I easily make 10,000 from this. If you don't believe me, just try following this and see for yourself. As for the launch jacking method in that, YouTube plays a huge role, you know. The next question that comes up is, do you need paid ads? Yes, you should have complete knowledge of Google ads and Facebook ads. You should have complete knowledge of Google ads and Facebook ads. Alright, I'm telling you, you'll start seeing results within a week. So, paid ads. In my opinion, all of this is very important. Your hosting and domain should be top-notch. You should have a solid account on YouTube and LinkedIn. If you're doing all this, message me on WhatsApp and I'll personally help you grow. If you follow everything I said, like, if you really follow all these things, then message me on WhatsApp saying, "Sir, I'm following everything you've mentioned." I'll message you personally. You know, I'll help you out so you can grow as much as possible, and that's my guarantee. I'll help you completely, every step of the way. Alright, so to run paid ads, yes, you should have a bit of a budget. At least keep a minimum budget of 10,000. If you want to build a proper business in digital marketing, then you should have at least a minimum budget of 10,000 with you. You can message me on WhatsApp. Yes, sir, I have that much budget. After this, is earning by organic traffic possible? Yes, it's possible, but you will have to give it at least 90 days. You have to be consistent every day, and 99% of people will fail at this. I'm telling you this with a guarantee. 99% of people will fail at this. They just won't be able to do it. If you're okay with giving it 90 days, then yes. If you can work consistently for 90 days, results are possible with organic traffic. But if you want to join Deepak Dubey and get results really fast, like within a month, then do these 3 things. Put 10,000 rupees into your account. And one more thing, get yourself a US number. If you don't have one, contact me and get a US number. This is the most important thing. Clients are going to come to you because of this. If you can manage all these things, all these resources, then affiliate marketing will be a breeze for you. Whether it's CPA marketing, pay-per-call, or blogging, none of it will be a problem anymore. If you can handle all these things, you should have these resources gathered for yourself. If you can manage all of this, then digital marketing is cracked for you. So let me do one more thing. Let me clarify this for you once again. What exactly all do we truly need to have? You know, what are the essential things that you should absolutely have in your possession? What should you have with you? The very first thing you need for a website is hosting. What should you have for a website? You should have hosting. Alright, get hosting for your website. What's the second thing you should have? A domain? A domain is important. A domain is very important, and you should try to get a domain related to the offer. In the next lecture, I'll show you how I use domains. Alright, you should have a domain. You should have a profile on social media. The most important social media profiles. You should have a YouTube channel, and you should also have a LinkedIn channel. Apart from that, keep a US number with you. A US number is very important. Keep a US number with you. Besides a US number, what else will you need? So that's done, okay, hosting, and that's also taken care of. Yes, the most important thing is consistency. Consistency is very important. The ability to work on a daily basis. If you work on a daily basis, believe me, you will definitely get results. No matter what you do, you will get results. And this is something only a few people have. But at least keep a budget of 10,000. If you have all these things in comment to me on WhatsApp saying, "Sir, I have everything." Alright, you will definitely get results. 100%. You will definitely get results. 100%. So if you do all these things, you will get results. So this class was just to give you some information. What resources should we have? What things should we have? Alright, and many people will think that those who use 10,000, bro, running paid ads is the most important thing. Paid. Running paid ads is very important. You will only get results if you run paid ads. So that's the amount we will need for that. Alright, so all of these things are very important. If you do these things, you are guaranteed to get results. Alright, no doubt or flex. Classes are going to be held here. In 2 or 3 months, I'll finish all these things by conducting these classes. Anyone who wants to learn from me personally, who wants to join my personal training. Alright, so I'm telling you the cost. If you want to join me for personal training on Google Meet every night at 9 p.m. and learn things together, you have to do all the projects with me. You have to sit with me and do everything together. So the price is 5,000 rupees. In this, I'll show you such methods that within a week, you'll start earning from there. So, anyone who wants to join the paid batch, just simply message me on WhatsApp. I want to join the paid batch. Alright, just send me a message. I'll tell you things you can't even imagine, and I'll show you the results right on the desk. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much.